How to cure tinnitus: 3 ways to cure for tinnitus. There are a lot of people that suffer from tinnitus. I am going to give you 3 ways on how to cure tinnitus so that you don't have to put up with the ringing noise anymore. Tinnitus can be caused by many things. It can be caused by loud music, and excess buildup of earwax, loud noise on the job, etc. If you start to hear ringing in your ears without any other external noise, you could have tinnitus. There are many ways to cure tinnitus. There are simple natural treatments that work very well, to hypnosis, to surgery. I want to share with you 3 of these methods to cure tinnitus so that you can decide what is best for you. Just please leave surgery to the last resort because surgery has so many risks and is non-reversible. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. The first treatment that I want to cover is dealing with hypnosis. Many people that suffer from tinnitus like treating it with MP3s that soothe and treat the tinnitus symptoms. They are known to work and are very safe. In my opinion, safe and effective are both good things. Another treatment that I want to talk about, which is my favorite, is all natural treatments. Natural treatments are just what they say. They are recipes that will get rid of the ringing in your ears for good and prevent any ringing from coming back. You will find a link below to a book that will show you step by step how to cure tinnitus naturally, guaranteed. It can't get much better than that. Plus, it is well worth trying before going under the knife. The last treatment, which should be a last resort, is surgery. There are surgical procedures that will help get rid of tinnitus. They do work, but there are tons of risks and side effects that come along with surgery. You will always be leery of ear infections, excessive earwax, and so on. It is a last resort, but it may be required if your case of tinnitus is bad enough. I just ask that you try natural treatments first. You have nothing to lose except that annoying ringing in your head. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips, subscribe the channel.